Welcome to Control 2022. I'm here at the Nikon booth together with Steve Renders and the new X-ray system.
Thank you. The system we have over here is a representation of the Nikon CT systems that are well known for the high-speed scanning. That's also the target audience, in fact, that we have today at the Control show. It's people wanting to use CT scanning in production. So there are a few features that enable to scan faster. One thing is already known, rotating target, which allows much more flux, so much faster scanning for the same data quality. What we added now is a rotating the half-turn CT, so where we say, okay, halfway the CT scanning, we can stop the scanning. So again, having double the speed, and then adding some algorithms to improve data quality even on very short scans. So this making it possible to allow scanning inside of the production, so doing quality control based on CT. And this, in fact, we want to teach this a bit to the people that still assume that CT scanning is something slow. So we want to get into this way of working of faster production scanning. Yeah, thanks. So with all the features we have them together, we can enable much faster scanning, so allowing us to go inside of the production and to do quality control in production.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
And now we are changing directly over to the next highlight on the Nikon booth. Hello, I'm here with Roy Maitman and the new Nikon laser system.
So this is our new laser radar unit called APDIS. It's based on interferometer technology, and this means that it's an absolute measurement system. We essentially use it to measure different features within the aerospace, energy and the automotive areas, and it can produce CMM level quality data within a shop floor environment. Here we've got it set up to measure a door, and it can provide extracted features, or we can scan surfaces and deliver a color map. It's utilized predominantly within the aerospace industry, but we're seeing an increased requirement within the automotive world because it's a really good solution for providing absolute data within the production process on the shop floor.
Thank you very much. Now we will change over to the last Nikon highlight on this booth. Hello, I'm here with Phil Wilson and the new Nikon microscope systems.
Nikon Metrology makes both industrial microscopes and video measuring systems. And here we have a VMZ-S system that we launched last year. It's primarily used for small parts or flexible parts, or parts that are flat, and can be used in the semiconductor industry, medical devices, automotive. Electronics is generally the market we look at. Its purpose is actually to do metrology. What we're looking to do is measure every feature on that, whether it be 2D distances, heights, everything you can imagine. This is a higher magnification system. The other system is a slightly lower magnification system, which we can also put a touch trigger probe on. And that system is great for applications where we're talking about larger molded parts or rubber or things like that, and generally great for standard industry products. So the system basically comes in 3 different sizes. This is a 300 by 200 millimeter size. We have a 45-40 size, and we have a 65-55 size, which can basically be dependent on the components that people are putting on there, or we can put a large batch of components on there to measure up to 100 at a time, essentially. The system also can be configured specifically for a customer's application, in that we can change the magnification. We can have a low magnification system that will run from 0.35 times to 3.5 times, all the way up to 120 times magnification, which primarily we would use for the semiconductor or electronics industry.
Thank you very much. This was the last highlight on the Nikon booth on the Control 2022. Thank you very much and a successful fair.